Number 9, lot S162 is a 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner with a 340 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. And it bid to $40,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 1,719 miles. Exterior color is gold. Interior color is white. And the highlights, one of only 1,681 340 equipped Roadrunners produced for 1971. Matching numbers 340 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, dual exhaust with machine gun tips, approximately 200 miles on extensive engine rebuild completed by Donnie Lawrence, automatic transmission, power steering, rear stripe delete, tinted glass, split bench seat, radio delete, column mounted shifter, rally wheels, BF Goodrich radial tires, and same owner for the last 6 years. And I would say the only thing that potentially hurt it was the bench seat and the column shift. It was a nice looking car in real nice shape and just had motor rebuilt, it said. So it had everything going for it, especially being a 340. And it bid to $40,000. But I guess that wasn't enough for the seller, so he took her back home. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.